Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this adorable little penguin. Let's get started. Wrap 4 pipe cleaners around a pen, 3 black and 1 white. Thread one end through the center like this. Pull it tightly toward the end, then secure it. Trim off the excess. Tuck the end inside. Thread another pipe cleaner through the center. Pull it tightly toward the end and secure it. Thread it through the middle, then twist to lock it in place. Trim off the excess. Measure 2 centimeters, fold it in half, and curve it. This will form one wing. Glue it in place. Make the other wing the same way. Take a white pipe cleaner and curve a 1 centimeter section. Cut it out and trim it neatly. Glue it on to make the eye patch. Repeat on the other side. Now glue on the plastic eyes. Take a yellow-orange pipe cleaner. Shape it and trim it into a point for the beak. Cut it out, then glue it in place. Shape 1.5 centimeters sections of pipe cleaner to make the feet. Trim the tips into points. Apply glue and attach them. And your penguin is finished. Add a little blush to the cheeks. I'm adding a keychain ring to turn it into a charm. Super easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tutorials.